If I had $1 million, I'd stay in bed with you all day.
We're letting people go, John. You're the first.
We have a lot of applicants, all of whom have 10 years experience.
Okay. Things will get better.
You're gonna have an amazing job one day.
The Antiques Roadshow is coming this weekend. Why don't we see if we can find something and get on TV? I'm so sorry for this, John. Look! It gives you money when you hurt yourself.
We have to promise to stop before it gets out of control.
We make our $1 million and we stop. I'll take the full Brazilian. I want it all gone.
Let's do this the old-fashioned way.
So, John, are you still with the same company?
We switched to private investing.
It looks like you're doing all right.
Shabbat shalom. Where is the teapot? Our grandmother risked her life to save that teapot during the Holocaust.
We have to find out what this thing is.
The teapot possesses extraordinary power.
You are in grave danger.
Most people kill themselves for decades and get nowhere. It's a gift from the gods.
We said we'd stop when it got out of hand. Oh! I'd say it's out of hand.
Now tell me, how can you save yourself?
You're turning evil.
There is nothing evil about wanting more.
What's happening to your face? Your eyes like hanging out?
I'm fine.
Whatever it is that's going on, it's not worth it.
Don't say we didn't warn you.
What sort of dog do you two have? I heard him howling last night.
That was just some really violent sex.